Well, hey YouTube, so today guys, we have a really cool product review. Today we are reviewing this product right here. Not sure why I accepted this review. I don't really have much of a purpose for this, but who knows when this could become useful in college. This is a wireless doorbell. I know, I don't really know what I'm thinking here, but let's find out exactly what you get inside. So let's open this thing up right now. There we go. That's what you get inside there. I just dropped the instruction manual. That's the instruction manual for you guys if you're interested. I'm not going to read that on camera. I don't think you guys really care. If this becomes too complicated, then maybe I'll read it. So, here's the actual doorbell, I'm guessing. Here's a doorbell. I'm assuming you use this thing to click on, right? And here's the actual receiver right here. This is the receiver here. So I presume you plug this into the wall. This provides the sound for that thing. So yeah, let's put that to the side here. What else do we get in the box here? Not much. It does appear like that's really it, but I'm going to keep going inside here. So you do have some help here. Because obviously for this product, you're going to have to install this and plug this into a wall here. You have some stuff here. Your 3M sticky tape thing. You have some nails and some screws here. I personally probably won't be doing that. I'll probably just tape this thing down to a door. You know, simple stuff like that. So I don't really have to worry about this stuff, but it definitely is there for some people who want to be more productive and use this in a more professional setting. I mean, let's pretend you're using this in a business or something, then obviously you're going to need that to be a little bit more set up nicely. You can't just plug it into a fucking tape. You can't just put tape on and expect that to fly in a professional setting. And yeah, so let's get the installation going, guys. You know, I've been debating, should I cut this part out or not? You know, I'm definitely considering cutting this part out. But I think it's definitely useful to see this process. So, I'm going to plug this into a wall. I can't really show you the wall, unfortunately. Let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything here. I'm reading the instruction manual here. So, I'll plug it in first. That's the first step here. I do have an instruction manual here. But you can't see me reading it, but it's there. So, first step is plug this in. I got an outlet right here. Give me a moment. I'll stay on camera. I'll stay on camera. Alright guys, it's plugged into the wall. I want this to be a comprehensive review. Let me open up the instruction manual here. Step 2, LED, that's not really useful for our purposes. Yeah, how do I pair these two things here? They're saying it's like some type of Bluetooth, it's like some type of Bluetooth thing or something. I don't know, that's what they're saying here. Actually, guys, this seems to be really complicated. I'm going to pause the video here. I don't want to waste you guys' time. When I finish the installation, I come back. It's going to take a couple of minutes based off what I'm reading here. So I'll see you guys soon. This may take a while, guys. Just give me a minute here. It doesn't work. I've tried for 15 minutes to figure out how to do it. Looked up a video, checked the instructions, and I can't figure it out. I'm not saying the product is broken, but if after all that work I couldn't figure it out, that's a problem in itself.